living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I know.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
So I've finished stitching and joining this piece. I'm going to overlock it from inside, and look at that, it's so amazing. You all see the results after ironing it and after finishing it. I've not added the sleeves yet, but I will do that. But so far it's so nice. So we are going to add this on the waist, and I'm going to show you. Let me align it and then I show you how it's going to look like that look. So I intend to add this black to blend with this, and this is the intended look. It's going to look like that. It's not stitched, but I wanted to show you how I intend to achieve that look. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this inside out, right sides kissing, and then I'm going to sew the edge, the end of it, even this side, and then I'll go ahead and stitch the whole thing, close it up, and I'll leave something like 1 inch or half an inch to turn it inside out. Yeah, to turn it inside out, and then we shall go ahead and top stitch it on our waist here, and then I'll go ahead and show you the results after that. So these are our sleeves. We are going to do dramatic sleeves. I'm going to do dramatic sleeves. So these are our 2 sleeves, and it's what we're going to work with. So I want this part to be baggy, that's why I added this circle, and then I'm going to add an elastic at the end of it near the wrist, and then it's going to be small, like it's going to come inside like this, and then these are going to be baggy. And then here I'm also going to add as an elastic to achieve that baggy dramatic sleeve. So I'm going to go ahead and do all those, and then I'll come back and show you the results. Of course, it has to be perfect.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when